pag di ka nag-open cam.
Wag! Wag mo,
Guys,
hindi ba
nagbihis
ba?
na siya, guys, oh.
Hindi kasi nahiya ako. Kasi may pa ganon-ganon ka.
Ba't ka nahiya?
May pa ganon-ganon ka dito, oh.
Wait lang. Ano mo nagigils? Iharap mo sa'yo yung camera. Ayoko nang... Yan, ganyan ka
Pangit
lang,
kasi
ha?
ako, anak, pag nakaganyan, oh.
Huwag mo kumaanak-anak, banatan kita.
Parinig ka ng asawa mo
Anak,
dyan, ha? Ayoko ng gulo.
Oo.
Hindi ako.
Pwede naman yun.
Wag.
You call me, pwede mo tawagin anak.
Hindi, anak.
Basta nanay ko, tira ko.
Sa mga nasa baba, sa mga
Yung kaba niya, guys. Yung kaba niya, grabe.
yung mga viewers ni 2.0, guys, I'm finding a guy who can afford helicopter.
Oo. Pero isa lang masasabi ko sa'yo, ma'am. Bago ka makahanap dito, ubos ka na.
Bakit?
Ngayon pa nga lang, pero wala ka ng lakas, maghanap ka pa.
Find me in the comment. I want English one. English one, na.
Oh, English daw, sino marunong mo?
Gusto ko mag-English ka. Gusto ko mag-English ka din. Pagkandaan mo yan.
Gusto mo yung makapartner mo, nag-English. Oo.
Gusto daw afam. Mayroon
Nag-English
dito,
din ako.
mayroon. Ha?
Nag-English din ako pag labanan.
Ayan, oh.
Ouch, ouch. Ouch.
Yan, anak, oh.
Comment sa...
Yan, may English na, dali. Giggles, I can't afford helicopter, but I can do the helicopter, oh.
Saan?
Yan. Si Ghost Monkey.
Iakyat niyo, moderator. Saan banda?
Diyan, sa baba. Wala pa sa taas, wala pang helicopter, eh.
Ghost Monkey daw, moderator. Parindigan mo yung English mo, mama. Ayun na.
Okay.
Sir, open
Hi,
cam, sir.
Giggles. How are you?
Good.
Dugo ilong mo dito, eh. Sir, please open cam.
My God, I'm in bed, sleep.
Oh.
Oh my God. This is the problem.
Hi, Giggles. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing? Where are you from?
I am from your heart.
Really?
Yeah.
I cannot find you.
Oh, I'm there.
I'm just
yung
here
heart-
because
Yung heart niya nasa kanan.
Hoy! Kaliwa to, anak! Anak, kaliwa to!
Kanan yan, day.
Dito yung kanan, anak!
Ha?
Dito yung kanan.
Anong ka?
This is the left, ha? This is the left.
Kanan. Anong kanan? Kaliwa yan.
Yan na, ito yung kanan. Kaliwa. Didi yan?
Baliktad.
Gus.
Sige. Sige, sir. Ghost Monkey, please continue.
You just do like this?
Oh, yeah.
Are you single?
Of course.
Just for me, right?
Just for you.
It is.
Mm-hmm.
So your name is Ghost Monkey.
It is.
You know how to do the monkey
do.
style?
I do. Do you want to learn?
Not for now.
Well, later. Call me later.
Call you later. I don't have your number and I don't have anything from you, you know? Monkey
Tanungin mo sa
style.
kanya, Giggles, kung ang bahay niya may helicopter, kung bahay niya may red carpet.
Ghost. Earlier, I was in his box.
Mm-hmm.
him if he knows someone that who can afford the red carpet, and if you can afford the helicopter, the jets, and everything, like
I
with
can
swimming
afford
pool.
I can afford two swimming pools, one indoor and one outdoor.
Mhm. That's
Mhm.
wow. Then
Mhm.
after that, we gonna Dugo Ilong.
Do you understand Tagalog, Mr. Mangi?
No.
No. Okay.
No. I'm new here. I've only been here a few weeks.
Me
You like
too.
Miss Giggles?
Hi, Miss Giggles.
Ghost Monkey,
Here, I'm
you like
gonna
Miss
fave you.
Giggles?
Oh, I think I'm in
Thank
love.
you. Oh,
Okay. How old are you?
directly?
How old do you think I am?
Now ikaw mag-adjust.
I think you are 49, 50?
Older.
Ah, older.
Older, a lot older.
58?
Older.
Oh, 63.
Older.
69?
100?
Giggles. Giggles. You
Six,
guessed it.
yes?
I am 69 years old.
69. Mm-mm.
Yes.
Giggles,
You are
50 years old.
51.
I 51.
51.
I was gonna say 50, but 51.
Hmm.
Okay.
Now what?
You know what?
Okay na.
2.0 is kind
Hmm.
of cute too, though, isn't he? He's kind of cute.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he is. Malandi.
Wata trip nito ah.
I know what Malandi is. I learned that right away. Malandi. I know what that means.
Yeah. Mhm. Can I favorite you, Ghost?
You can. You know what,
Okay.
Giggles? You know,
Mhm.
the girls have told me to say sweet words to you to other girls like, "Oh, you're so pangit."
Mm. Ang pangit.
Mhm.
Pangit ka daw. Do you know
Ano?
that pangit means ugly?
No, it
No,
means
Mr. Monkey?
beautiful. It means
it means
beautiful.
No, it's
beautiful.
not. No.
It means beautiful. That's what they
It
tell
means
me.
beautiful. Yeah.
No, it's not.
No, I believe Giggles. Hi,
Mm.
Pangit.
Yeah. You have to believe me. And I have something. I have something also for you.
What's that? Yeah, I
Gamay
know
kag
another
utin.
one.
Gamay
You
kag
know
utin.
Kamay ka.
you know
Gumanti. What is that? What is that? Ano? Giggles.
He is so cute. He is so cute.
Oh.
him? Yeah, he is cute.
No.
You.
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 He
You
said,
gamay ut.
gamay kag
You
utin.
gamay utin.
You're
It means,
ootin.
yo, kamagigils.
You said I am pangit. Oh, you are gamay utin.
You're ootin, huh?
Mm.
Hmm.
Yeah, utin.
What does
Utin.
that mean? 2 point ootin. What does
You're
that
so
mean?
cute. You're so cute. You have to believe me.
Hmm.
Thank you, Ash.
You're so handsome.
Cute and handsome, yes.
Oh, Giggles. I know they told me some other words about your eyes. Oh,
Mm.
your susus are so beautiful.
Suso?
Yeah,
Wow.
your susus.
Parindigan mo yan. Bahala ka dyan. Oh.
Steven.
Two points.
Okay.
Don't you agree? Look right into her susus. Aren't they beautiful? Look at them.
Ano na?
Say yes now. Say yes now. Say yes now.
2 Point, you look confused.
Wala na. Yung host na patay.
No, I'm listening.
Wait, you're supposed to help me out here. You're supposed to agree with me.
Okay. Do you like Miss Giggle?
Wait, no, say it. Say it. Your susus are beautiful. Say it. Look at them.
What susus?
Ghost, don't make me laugh. Suso.
Oo.
Suso is beautiful daw.
Mhm.
This is the Suso one?
Yes, susu. Your eyes.
Ah, Suso.
But in the Philippines, suso is here.
No way. No way.
Oh,
I have something
Yeah.
also for you.
What's that?
Cute kaglubot.
My lubot?
yate ka giggles.
Kaglubot, Ghost.
Can you explain giggles to Mr. Monkey what is cute kaglubot?
Sapyut kaglubot means you are my type.
Okay. You may be my type. I'm not sure yet.
You're not
But
sure
you're-
yet if you like me or no?
But you're pangit though. Very pangit.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Ginsultuhan na sila. Yung ginago, may giggles yung bro. Sige, sir. Thank you, sir, ha. Salamat. Okay. Thank you so much for
Yes.
being here in my
Thank you
life.
for the
And
gifts. I
thank you
appreciate
for...
that.
Okay. I think you're not finding someone to make ikaw kung anong pinanggagawa mo sa live ko. Sige kag lubot-lubot diha.
Anak, baba na ako. Baka maano ka.
Ay, alam mo bang nakakaintindi ng Tagalog si Ghost Monkey?
Wala man akong pakialam kasi sinabihan akong pangit eh. Di ba, Ghost?
Hindi guys, ano lang yan.
They changed
Siyempre,
the name of this one. It's the Suso now. What can I do?
Guys,
Grabe po
dito.
ka eh.
nakibanding lang si Sir Ghost. Sir Ghost, shoutout. Thank you so much.
Actually,
Thank you,
2.0, anak. Ghost is my best friend for
Oh.
long time ago, since 2018. We are here.
Yate ka. Talaga?
Oh, yes. I love you, Nak. Thank you so much for being me here. Thank you for
Yate
having me
kung
here.
gawang to.
Enjoy
Talaga?
your live stream, anak. Yes.
Hindi binaba ko si Sir Ghost kasi baka sabihin ni Sir Ghost.
No,
Dinadali natin
he's my
siya.
best
Puta,
friend.
ako pala
long
yung
time
na-prank
ago.
nyo.
Yeah.
Yate ka, Ghost, ha?
Gas! anak, thank you so much. I love you. Enjoy your live stream and padayon sa imong pagka maayong na host.
Sige, salamat. Thank you.
Idol ta ka kaayo.